Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a special guest. We have Matebe from South Africa. She's going to be showing us how to make chakalaka sauce. So I'll let her introduce herself and tell us more about this chakalaka.
Okay, hi guys. Chakalaka is a bean relish which we eat with braai meat or barbecue at home. That's about it. You can eat it with anything actually.
Yes, so
For Sundays you can make when
Okay.
you make the 7 colors. You can add it there as a
okay, so you can use this with your meat. For Kenyans it's called nyama choma. Like instead of kachumbari you use this chakalaka. If you have like barbecue meat back home,
any barbecue meat.
yeah, or
Goes
even
perfectly.
okay, or even if you're roasting your meat in the oven or something like that, you can add this sauce, right? Okay, so these are the ingredients that we need.
Yes.
You can tell us about them.
This is just green beans, just blanched only already, and the main ingredients. Well, the star is the carrots. It needs to have carrots, onions. This is like the base.
Okay.
And the rest you can play around with, but this is the base. The carrots, onions, bell pepper, some garlic. Then this will be for extra flavor. It's optional.
Okay. So that's spring onion and coriander.
Yes.
Okay, so for this carrots, do you need to just like slice them this way, or you can do different?
You can slice them this way, or you can also grate it. Some people they prefer grating, but I don't. It will not have the crunch if you grate it. So.
Okay, so we need that crunch.
So this is the base plus the beans. This is like the stars.
So these French beans and baked beans, or you can use kidney beans.
Kidney beans, no.
Okay, baked beans.
It needs to be baked beans, yes.
Yes, that's it?
Yeah, then you have some peeled tomato. This is chutney.
What chutney?
I don't know. It's a chutney. It's a South African chutney that we have. It's optional also. If you don't have it, you don't need it. Okay. Some ketchup. This is like the spice we use for
braai.
Braai, yes.
Okay.
It's very nice. You can use it on anything. Eggs, aromat.
Okay.
It's like salt.
Yeah, aromat. It's like Royco, right? Back home.
Okay. Then you have this curry powder. You don't need this one, but just for heat.
Nandos sauce.
Yes. Medium one because I don't like spicy that much. And some ginger paste.
Ginger paste.
Yeah.
So instead of this garlic, you can still make a garlic ginger paste for your sauce.
Yeah, but I wouldn't recommend this because the balance, I don't know. Because I won't put as much garlic as ginger,
so you need
so the
like
ratio is not like 50-50, no.
More of a like 30-70 in terms of garlic ginger.
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. So guys, have you heard this? Okay. This are the star of our dish. This is just additional, right?
Yes. So for flavor, okay. This.
Okay, and this. So basically, this is all you need for a basic chakalaka, right?
Yes.
For a starter. Okay, so now we're going to start making the chakalaka.
Using our oil.
Okay.
Not much. We'll add more as we go if we need more. And we'll start with the base. So some onions. Just to release that the flavor, but then you'll add the rest in just a bit, so not to make them brown or anything.
So just like sauteing the onions.
Yeah, just
like
to make them sweat. Yeah.
Okay. So how long does a chakalaka take to make?
If you have all your prep ready, like 20 minutes, it's very fast. It's a quick. That's why you use it for braais and barbecue, because it's very quick, yeah, and easy to make, but also very flavorful.
Okay.
So yeah, and now we'll add our spices that we have.
What did you call that?
Curry powder.
Curry powder.
If I ran out of the medium one. We have medium one, we have hot one, so depending on your preference, how spicy you like. Okay, that's like 3 tablespoons, I think. The optional one.
This is the South African meat spice or something.
Yeah.
That's
So
our
not
ginger.
much, yeah. Just half. Okay, now we will add some this tomato paste. I mean, peel tomato, sorry. And the beans. So this you can grate it. You don't really need to.
Grate what?
The tomato, if you want, you can use fresh tomato.
So you like blend fresh tomatoes?
You can.
You don't need to get the canned one.
No. If you have the canned one, you don't need ketchup or color or anything.
So if, for example, you use the fresh tomatoes, you need tomato paste with it, right?
Yeah, just for color. Actually, no need. Just ketchup. For me, I prefer tomato ketchup. Because it has a sweetness in it, which will balance out the acidity in the tomato.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomato paste. I mean,
So beans.
yeah. So this one, you add all.
Don't waste anything.
No. You have to get everything out.
So you basically don't use water in this? Or you don't add any kind of water?
No,
Okay.
there's no water involved. So I'm just crushing that peeled tomato. So I'll add the beans and chutney, some salt, pepper, and we are done.
So
You just leave it for like let's say 10 minutes, then it's ready.
So like simmering or just
leave it low,
follow heat?
low, medium, it's okay. Just to mix everything together. So I'll add this. So I'll use this one first.
It's the Nandos sauce.
Yes. I like the medium one, so depends.
It's a bit hot then.
It's not hot. The medium one is not spicy that much. Okay. So depending what kind of heat you like, they have hot, they have extra hot, you know. So
is it the same one that they use in this Nandos outlet?
Yes.
Okay, for the chicken.
Yeah, they are famous chicken. So now I'll add the green beans and black pepper. Then we'll leave it to simmer.
Yeah, our green beans.
Yes.
And with all this now, your chakalaka is ready, right?
Yeah.
You just let it cook for a while, then done.
Then you're done. You're ready to go. So and it's very simple.
Then you eat it with your pap and meat.
Yes.
Or as we call it, ugali and nyama choma.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. But this one looks like a whole meal already, you know? You can just serve this up with some rice or something like that and eat it.
You can.
But that's not the original way of doing it.
You can. Okay. So now, this is the result.
10 minutes later.
Yes. Then you add your chopped coriander, some spring onion, and the rest we'll add later on top.
For the garnish.
Yeah. This one just to add extra flavor, then we just mix it in. But it's done already.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it. So now it's done, ready. We'll just garnish.
Bring on.
So yeah, some coriander here and there, just to make drama, make it look pretty.
Put some makeup on.
Yes, like you're putting makeup. That's it.
There you go.
We have your chakalaka ready.
Chakalaka ready. So guys, that was our chakalaka video. Thanks to Matebe, now we know how to make a South African chakalaka. Here it is, as you can see. Looks nice, looks delicious. And the best thing is that you can use it as a universal sauce, because you can use it with your any kind of braai meat, any kind of barbecue.
Yes, when you're having a party, any kind of party, it's
very easy.
It's the star of the show. It will be on everything.
You can put it on everything when you have your party going on.
You can put it on your hot dogs. You can put it on burgers, you know. Or you can put it as a side for your braai meat, barbecued meat. Yeah.
Or you can just put it anywhere you want. Okay. So that was our chakalaka. If you want more South African recipes, you know who to call. Matebe over here.
Yes.
She's authentically South African. She's the one who is going to be doing these South African videos for us.
Yes.
Put down in the comments below what kind of South African food
you would
want
like
to learn, and she will do it for us.
Yes.
Okay.
Or if you want to, if you have a specific dish but you don't know how you can vavavoom it, or I don't know, make some drama to it.
Okay.
I can show you how to do that.
Yeah, so she's also dramatic, as you heard. If you want to make your food dramatic also, she's the person to call.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So guys, that's it for today. Till next time. bye-bye. Wait, not bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
Yes, and remember, we have a new Instagram account, Cook Jungle. We have a Facebook page called Cook Jungle. Also, just facebook.com/Cook Jungle. So go follow those two pages and like, share with your friends, and put some braai inside your oven and try and have this chakalaka with it.
Yes.
I don't know how it goes with rice, but
it goes with everything.
Goes with everything. She said it. She's South African. I don't know if she says it, then she's right.
Yes.
Till next time, bye bye, and God bless you. Toodles. Time to taste. Time to taste.
So let me know.
I'm so excited.
Give me your honest impression. Come on.
Guys, you really need to try this. It's nice. It's not very hot, medium spicy, but you can feel the heat in your mouth, you know? It's really delicious and it's crunchy. The beans and the carrots, they just make it so very crunchy. It tastes fresh. I would eat this every day. It's delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's delicious, guys. It's very delicious. Victor, you want to try this also? You should try this, Victor.
I'm trying out this.
It's nice, right?
Can I just have my comments after they're finishing up this? Well, this is a perfect medium-sized spice dish. I love spices. I love it spicy like this, but this is the best recommendation. And as you continue taking the video, that's super nice.
That's why you like it.